Goat farming combined with mulberry cultivation is an innovative and sustainable model for collective farming.
Pilan farm permaculture सानो इकोसिस्टम आफै भित्र बनाएको एउटा सस्टेनेबल दिगो एकीकृत कृषि फार्म।
This integration creates a win-win system where both enterprises support each other. Mulberry leaves are rich in protein and serve as excellent fodder for goats, reducing the cost of purchased feed. In return, goat manure, rich in nutrients, is used to fertilize mulberry fields, improving soil health and boosting leaf and fruit production. In a collective farming approach, farmers pool land and resources to establish shared goat sheds, fodder banks, and mulberry plantations. This system ensures efficient land use, reduces input costs, and maximizes output. Goats provide income through meat, milk, and manure, while mulberry offers multiple revenue streams, including leaves for feeding and silk production, and fruits for sale or processing. This closed-loop farming method promotes sustainability, low waste, and higher profits, making it ideal for rural communities seeking financial stability. Collective farming also enhances bargaining power in the market, access to training, and shared infrastructure. By adopting this model, farmers can ensure year-round fodder supply, improved soil fertility, and diversified income, creating a resilient agricultural ecosystem for the future.